Today we're going to be installing a smaller pulley on this Procharged Mustang GT. Gotta watch out.
This is a P1X.
Cool.
What does that mean, Cody?
That means 40 foot-pounds for P-Series blowers on your bolt here for your new pulley. So we're going to go ahead and rotate the tensioner, take the belt off, and take the pulley off. Actually, we're going to crack the bolt loose on the pulley first while it's got belt tension. That way it comes off. Alright, so the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to pull the little warranty cap off of where the bolt is. And you might have to get a little caveman with it. We've already got ours a little mangled up, but once you get it moving, you can go ahead and pop that off. Grab a 16mm socket. You're going to want to grab a 19. So we had a little bit of troubles trying to use hand tools, so you might want to grab yourself an impact so we can just crack this thing loose without the belt slipping and spinning. We ain't got no room up in here. We got fuel pressure regulator, a catch can. Got no room in this engine bay. So go ahead and get that on there and just, there we go. Once it's cracked loose, you can go ahead and take your belt off, take the pulley off, put the new one on. All right, go ahead and grab you a 1/2 inch breaker bar. Get up in here, take tension off. Slip your belt over and try to keep it on everything else and kind of, you know, in line still, so when you go to put it back on, you're not having to fumble with all the other pulleys. Get this the rest of the way off. That, your washers. And then this pulley should just slide right off. Cool. And you can go ahead and ditch the old keyway because we have a new key and a new bolt. Going from a 4.0 to a 355. Grab your new bolt, keyway, and your washer here. Set those down. Get this keyway up in here. Yeah, make sure not to lose your inner washer here. They don't give you a new one of those. You want that to stay on there. And we'll go ahead and stick the key on here. And then go ahead and slide your new pulley down. You know, keep the text face out so you can know what pulley's on. Gonna grab our bolt and washer. This isn't mentioned in any of the Procharger instructions, but with spinny vibrational things, you know, a drop of blue Loctite never hurts. So here we've got a P1X blower, and for all the P-Series blowers, you're gonna wanna torque this bolt down to 40 foot-pounds, and for the SC, D, and F series, you're gonna wanna torque it to 60 foot-pounds. So go ahead and get your bolt started. Make sure your washer is facing the appropriate direction with the beveled side, obviously inside the pulley to center that. And start getting this pinched down. Once you've got it snug, you want to grab your breaker bar again. And we're going to take the tension off the tensioner. Slip our belt back up. Make sure your pulley's lined up, or your belt's lined up on all your grooves. Make sure we still got tension on this and it's not maxed out. You may or may not, based on your application, you may have to move the location of the Procharger pulley. It's got 3 bolts in the front that let you move the tensioner. And I'm thinking we may have to move it for the smaller pulley because we don't have a lot of belt tension right here, as you can see. Go ahead and take your 19, stick it back down on the crank bolt. I'll let that rest there for now. Grab your 16, set your torque wrench to 40 foot-pounds if you have a P1X blower or P1SC. Hold your crank bolt and get the tighten. And there you go.
Like that.
40 foot-pounds.
Like, that's very blurry.
Sorry.
It's okay.
40.5.
I believe
it's over torqued. Now you are done swapping your pulley. It's that simple. You just need a couple hand tools, a couple minutes, basic mechanical skills, and that's it. Easy.
YouTube certified now.
All right, we got our pulley installed. That's gonna be it for this car. If you guys have any...
What?
Wow. Take. Mad?
Yeah. Okay. We're all finished with our pulley swap now. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. If you need a Procharger installed or need to purchase one, we're a Procharger certified dealer here at Hard Park Performance.
Yeah, hit us up.
Cut the video, that's the end.
That's it. That's it.